So exciting to finally get one of these. The switches have a really nice tactile feel to them. As you can see, colours and everything all match up beautifully. And yeah, works great. Just an amazing kit. I'm in so exciting to finally own one of these. Many thanks to the High Nibble for making this. They're pretty brilliant. Took me about 4 hours or so to build it, and yeah, worth every minute. And yeah, here's the UI on screen, running CPM 2.2. As you can see, I've got mine running in super fast mode. And yeah, you can even manipulate the front panel from this little fellow here. So, you know, you can reset it, all that fun stuff, power it on and off. You know, you've got a bunch of virtual disk drives. And yeah, works great. I'm loving it. And yeah, fun to learn all about one of my favorite computers of all time that I'd never ever got to use, but you know, seeing it in war games was enough to make me love it.